This is a review of the RYOBI 18-volt cordless wet and dry vacuum that I will definitely recommend. This vacuum, you can see here that it comes with the battery charger that it also comes with, but I charged it up to show you guys, and I do want to demonstrate in this video on how exactly this works. It's very super easy and simple, and it came with charge, but I charged it up to 100% now, and you can see it comes with this too. If you're going on some corners where you want to vacuum, you could. Now I do want to mention the fact that you could also use this for your car, and also you could use this for indoor, for home use as well too, like certain things like your couches, your pretty much your rugs, or pretty much any crumbs or something that fell down like on the bed or something like that. You can use this to vacuum it up, and it does it very perfectly and fine. And I do want to mention also that, like I mentioned, it is cordless, so you can go around everywhere and do this everywhere. It also comes with this as well too, so if you want to use this, you can use that as well too, to pretty much go to different corners and maneuver it around, and pretty much go to different spots that are pretty much where you need these nozzles. Then you can use that as well too, that it comes with. But I'm gonna now be showing you guys, demonstrating on how exactly this works, and we're gonna be going onto a couch to test this out to see how well this thing works. So here we are on the sofa couch, and you can see there are a few crumbs and crumbs and dirt that is on this vacuum that you can see a little bit in this video. You can see there, and there's some spots right there too that have crumbs and dirt. We're gonna be testing the RYOBI 18 volts and to show you guys how well this thing works. So let's test it out and see how durable this thing is. Now you can see very well that it cleaned up my couch very perfectly and fine. You can see there were some crumbs on the couch, and they all vanished and disappeared, and now there's no any crumbs or dirt that is on my couch and sofa. And you can see here very carefully, if you look, that's how it traps in all the dirt, and the crumbs are right over here. You can see that it trapped it in very well. And I do want to mention the fact that you can also use this for your car as well too. If you have any crumbs or dirt or pretty much anything like getting in and out of the car, if you have any dirt that you get from your shoes that traps on your carpet, you could use this to vacuum your carpet up on your vehicle as well too, and it does it very perfectly and fine. Overall, I would definitely recommend the RYOBI 18-volt wet and dry cordless vacuum because of the fact that you can see here very carefully that it trapped in all the crumbs and the dirt right over here, and it does the job like what is intended. So, and I would definitely recommend the RYOBI 18-volt vacuum if you are looking for a cordless vacuum that pretty much cleans up your entire home, sofas, pretty much you name it, the bed, anything in your indoor of your home, or also for your car or vehicle as well too. Then I would definitely recommend the RYOBI cordless wet and dry vacuum. I would definitely recommend this.